Here are 4 high-yield USMLE-style questions focused on peroxisome functions, peroxisomal disorders, and related conditions. Question 1. A 2-month-old infant presents with hypotonia, seizures, jaundice, and craniofacial dysmorphia. Genetic testing reveals a mutation in the PEX genes, which impairs peroxisome biogenesis. What is the most likely diagnosis? A. Refsum disease, B. Zellweger syndrome, C. Adrenoleukodystrophy, D. Tay-Sachs disease, E. Mucopolysaccharidosis. Answer: B. Zellweger syndrome. Explanation: Zellweger syndrome is a peroxisomal biogenesis disorder caused by mutations in the PEX genes, leading to a deficiency in peroxisome formation. This condition is characterized by hypotonia, seizures, jaundice, craniofacial dysmorphia, and hepatomegaly. It typically leads to early death due to the accumulation of pipeccolic acid in peroxisomes. Question 2. A patient with vision loss, anosmia, and hearing loss is diagnosed with a disorder of eye oxidation. This defect leads to the accumulation of phytanic acid. Which of the following is the most likely diagnosis? A. Zellweger syndrome, B. Refsum disease, C. Adrenoleukodystrophy, D. Krabbe disease, E. Pompe disease. Answer B. Refsum disease is an autosomal recessive disorder of Ha oxidation, leading to an inability to degrade phytanic acid. This results in the accumulation of phytanic acid in tissues, causing symptoms such as vision loss, retinitis pigmentosa, anosmia, hearing loss, ataxia, and peripheral neuropathy. Other features include ichthyosis and cardiac conduction defects. Treatment often includes dietary modifications and plasmapheresis. A 6-year-old boy is diagnosed with a progressive neurological disorder and adrenal gland crisis. His serum contains elevated levels of very long-chain fatty acids, VLCFAs, and genetic testing confirms a mutation in the ABCD1 gene. Which of the following is the most likely diagnosis? A. Zellweger syndrome, B. Refsum disease, C. Adrenoleukodystrophy, D. Tay-Sachs disease, E. Niemann-Pick disease. Answer C. Adrenoleukodystrophy. Explanation: Adrenoleukodystrophy is an X-linked recessive disorder of BEPA oxidation caused by a mutation in the ABCD1 gene, which is involved in transporting very long-chain fatty acids into peroxisomes for degradation. This leads to the accumulation of VLCFAs in the adrenal glands, white matter of the brain, and testes, resulting in adrenal gland crisis, neurological deterioration, and progressive symptoms. Early diagnosis and treatment are critical to managing this progressive condition. Question 4. A 3-year-old boy presents with developmental delay, hypotonia, and hepatomegaly. His laboratory tests reveal elevated pipeccolic acid levels. A genetic defect in the PEX genes is identified. Which of the following is the most likely cause of his condition? A. Peroxisomal beta oxidation deficiency, B. Peroxisomal I oxidation deficiency, C. Mitochondrial dysfunction, D. Defect in lysosomal enzyme targeting, E. Defect in glycosylation pathways, peroxisomal alpha oxidation deficiency. Explanation: the presence of elevated pipeccolic acid levels is a hallmark of Zellweger syndrome, a peroxisomal biogenesis disorder caused by defects in the PEX genes. This defect impairs alpha oxidation, leading to the buildup of phytanic acid and pipeccolic acid in the peroxisomes. Clinical features include developmental delay, hypotonia, hepatomegaly, and progressive neurological deterioration. Early diagnosis and management are important for addressing the metabolic aspects of the disease. These questions cover key aspects of peroxisomal